These are today's football predictions, and we have games in France, Italy, and the rest of them. So let's get started. The first game we have today is in Italy, where Lazio is taking on AC Milan, and my prediction here is both teams to score at full time. The next game we have is a game in Bundesliga, where Freiburg is taking on Bayern Munich, and my prediction is both teams to score at full time. The next game we have is in Denmark Premier League, where FC Midtjylland is taking on Copenhagen, and my prediction is both teams to score. Then we will move on to Bundesliga, to where Hertha Berlin is taking on hosting Kassel, and my prediction is both home team are win at full time. That's Hertha to win at full time. Moving on, we move to Turkey Super League, where Kasimpasa Istanbul is taking on Servicepor, and my prediction is full-time win for home team being Kasimpasa. Okay, as you know, we have a premium channel where we share show to us on daily basis and other super odds. So if you want to win daily, kindly check my WhatsApp link in the comment section. I mentioned yesterday that we are starting a 2 odds premium uh, channel this month of March. So if you want to join, sure to us on daily basis. My WhatsApp link is in the comment section. The subscription fee is 20,000 naira per month for Nigerian, 630 cedis Ghana, then 8,000 Kenyan shillings, and other country pays $50 per month. The subscription fee is affordable. We guarantee maximum winnings, at least 22 winnings per month. Okay, moving on, we have a game in Saudi Arabia where Al Sahel is taking on. Sorry, in Syria where Al Sahel is taking on Jabre FC, and my prediction is full time draw. As you know, the game we posted yesterday, that is the one that we posted later in the afternoon. It was only Galatasaray that messed the whole thing up. It just lost that game due to Galatasaray giving them a straight win, and they considered 2-0 at home with a loss. So I believe today game will work out very well. So you can always flex them or paste your own edits in the comment section. Let other people also um, benefit from your own edits. If you have any disagreement with my own predictions, I'll share it in the comment section. Okay, thank you. Moving on, we have a game in Israel where Opel Bene Salava is taking on Zeri Fahem, and my prediction here is a full-time draw. The next game we have is in Israel where Opel Anana FC is taking on Maccabi Kiryat, and my prediction is home team win at full time. Next game we have is in Australia, where Preston Lions is taking on North Hull City, and my prediction is full time win for the home team. Then the last game we have is in Israel, where Open of Hagale is taking on Maccabi Isaiah, and my prediction is home team win at full time. Okay, guys, I will post ice hockey later in the afternoon. So if you have not followed this channel, kindly follow it. If you have not followed this Facebook page, kindly follow it so you'll be the first to know when we drop those predictions. And that is one of the benefit of you watching my video till the end. So if you have watched this video till the end, say money line in the comment section, type money line in the comment section, so you also benefit from other tips that we're going to share later in the day. Okay, thank you so much for staying tuned. This is the booking code for those people are using Sportybet. Know that these games are available on all the bookmakers around the world. So go to your own local bookie and select this game. All right. Remember to bet responsibly. I will see you guys later in the day. Thank you so much.